It is time to take the pumpkin out. It's been 11 days, so we've got to do it. Around the stem, this pumpkin was starting to seep and starting to rot. So it was just time to get it out of the store before it started smelling and getting too bad. We had just gotten the first spot on the floor where it had seeped down. So my daughter is setting up her phone here to take some video. I'm not quite sure what happened with this video that she took. The exposure isn't correct on it, but hey, it is what it is. Enjoy the video.
You can go to the right.
Huh?
Yeah, you can go that way if you need. I think you're a little close to the other corner.
All right, now push it straight up. Right there.
Okay, put it on there.
As long as I can bring it out straight.
Okay. See, last time I got stuck out. You need to be in. 'Cause he
and the pumpkin is out of the door. It was much quicker coming out than going in. Okay, I'm going down to the farm to get my truck and come back and load it on and get it out of here.
This first.
This pumpkin was really the buzz around town, and here's a prime example of it right here, this black car that just pulled up. Word got out very quickly about this pumpkin being in the store, and, you know, I guess when we pulled it out, word got out quickly as well that it was leaving, so this kid had to come down and get a selfie with the pumpkin. I think this is so cool that it got this much attention, that people came down and took pictures and got selfies with it. Time to cut the pumpkin open here and get all these nice expensive seeds out of it.
You won't have to follow me.
It's kind of
I think we can push it open.
all right. Let me put the camera down, and then I can grab it with two hands here. You want to cut the bottom some? I can try to hold it a little bit. All right, let's get a...
Can you take a photo of me behind me?
Yep. Okay, the thickness of that is about 7 inches. 6 inches. 6 inches.
It's a lot thinner.
It is, yep. We're gonna try to save some rind. We're gonna try to make a pumpkin pie.
Oh yeah?
We were looking it up online the other day, because people have been asking, oh man, that'll make a lot of pumpkin pies. Well, this probably isn't a variety for a pie, but we figured about 200 pies is based on our calculations.
There are a lot of dud seeds in them.
It looks like it, yes. Is that from too early of a harvest, you think?
It could be, considering how young it was.
Yeah, I think I heard your father say, or somebody say, you didn't start this one until March?
I started this one in May.
May? Oh, okay. Okay. Seed. Was this from last year's pumpkin and then a cross from another variety? That
It was not from last year's pumpkin.
It was not, okay.
But it is related. Like if you look at the family tree, they have the same mother.
Okay. Was that the one from New York, or that was the year before that you got that seed from New York, wasn't it?
They're both from New York.
Are they?
They're from the same guy, actually. He gave me this one for free because I talked to him all the time.
Now, because of the genetics, would you get a larger pumpkin than normal if you didn't go through all the work that you did?
Oh yeah.
I mean,
if you just plopped it in like a ground with some good dirt,
Yep.
didn't pay any attention to it, you'd probably, and if you at least just kept one pumpkin per plant and watered it, probably get 300-400 pounds.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. Because I've been telling people, you know, to get something this size, it's not just the seed. You know, you gotta feed it and, you know, pluck all the other blooms off of it. And
That's definitely makes a difference. But the seed is the most important part. if you get like this variety, it is called Atlantic Giant,
Mm-hmm.
and they sell those at the store. You can buy seed packs, but you'll never get anything above 100 pounds, 150 pounds with those seeds, even though they advertise on the back
Right.
1,000 pounds. And that's because, like, the commercial seed suppliers, they just plant their seeds in a field, let them mature, and harvest the seed. So you don't know if those seeds are getting cross-pollinated with zucchini or squash or other fruits in the same family, and so their genetics are tainted. As bad as that sounds.
Apparently, you just take, slices of this rind here and bake it in the oven for about an hour, and then puree it with some cream and sugar.
Voila.
Yep.
I mean, it doesn't smell bad.
No, it doesn't. Nope. Angela said she smelled it this morning when she walked in. Well, I don't know, because I haven't smelled it either time. Last week, when it first started seeping a little bit there, she said she could smell it, but I never smelled it.
You were also there last year for that
Yes.
horrible
yes.
stint,
Right,
so
that's
nothing
right.
compares to that.
No. No, there's nothing wrong with this one. This is the thickest part of the pumpkin that he's cutting now.
Yeah, she's definitely thicker.
Uh, 8 inches, and I measured 7, 8.5. So yeah, it's somewhat 9 and almost 10 there. Yeah. Yeah, 9 inches. Yeah. Okay, we've got about $500 worth of seeds in there right now. Maybe more.
Okay, the moment of truth. So my daughter made a pumpkin pie out of that large pumpkin that we had. So I'm here at the store now. I am cutting the first slice. Well, I have cut the first slice and I've got some whipped topping on it. So it is time to try it and see how it tastes. And do I have a fork? Here is my fork. Here, I left my GoPro in the truck. Let's give it a shot here. You can't see them, but they're standing off here to my left, watching me. They have cameras going here because they don't think it's going to be any good. It has a good consistency. Actually, it's pretty darn good. Wow. I've only ever had canned pumpkin pie. You know, that stuff that comes in a can. So I wasn't quite sure how this was going to turn out. Neither was my daughter. Wow. This is actually pretty darn good. Yes, this is good. I would eat more of this. Okay, so now the rest of them are going to try it because it seems to be okay. All right. So I think that ends the story of the big pumpkin for this year. The great pumpkin, the big pumpkin, the giant pumpkin, whatever you want to call it.
One pumpkin pie.
And we just got one pumpkin pie. No, I think she said there's more puree out of it, that she can make another one if she needs to, but this was good. All right, that's going to wrap this video up. Although I'm not really sure what is going to be in this video, but you will know by now if you've watched till the end. So I'm going to say, see ya!